Welcome back. I'm standing here with my 91 W150 Dodge pickup. I've done a few other videos on this thing. I ended up buying it. The first one I didn't even own it yet, but it's here. I put a fuel pump in it because it needed one and I didn't have a good one, so I ended up buying just a cheap fuel pump. And I really kind of wish I would have looked this truck over better before I spent money on it. It's got a lot of good parts, but the truck itself it's junk. It's really just not worth saving. There's nothing good about it. The roof's rusty, the underside is rusty, everything's rusty. That's what it is. But realistically, I guess I have $100 into it right now, and I'll find out if this engine is good and if this transmission is good. That's if everything goes well. So I haven't tried to start this yet. I've got the fuel pump in. I think I've got everything hooked up. I did find a couple things I did find a spot closer to the engine that the line was also broken right off there. I didn't really see any other issues. So hopefully when I try to start this, it will. I've got probably 5 or 6 gallons of gas in it. I just had a can that had a little bit in it, and then I went and got 5 more gallons. So that should be enough for this in-tank pump to pick up. And without talking anymore, I'm gonna go ahead, set you up where you can see this thing cranking, and try to fire it up. Not really sure that this is any better view, but you can at least see the belts and stuff turning, I guess. Starting to get fuel. So there it is. It runs actually pretty good. The longer it's running, the better it's getting. So I'm assuming it's kind of working some of the nasty fuel out. and just getting better as it cleans itself a little bit. But with that said, it's late. I don't feel like messing with this anymore. Hopefully the transmission works. That's one of the parts that I really want out of it. So I guess that's it. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you later. Hey, come over here. Come on. This doesn't have brakes. You're gonna stay. Okay.